Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're introducing Hailuo AI by MiniMax, a revolutionary platform for creating stunning videos from images and text, customizing audio, and using chat features. Whether you're a beginner or advancing your skills, let's explore Hailuo AI. Getting started with Hailuo AI. First things, let's get you set up with Hailuo AI. Head over to hailuoi.video and sign up for an account. Hailuo AI offers various subscription plans, including a free tier, to help you explore its features without any commitment. When you sign up, you'll receive 100 free credits, with each video creation costing just 30 credits. Creating videos from images. All right, let's dive into one of the most powerful features of Hailuo AI. From the dashboard, navigate to the Create section. Click on Image to Video. This opens up a new workspace where you'll upload your images and craft your video. Next, it's time to upload the image you want to transform. Click on the Upload Images and select the photo you want to use. Now comes the exciting part, adding a prompt to bring your image to life. In the prompt field, type a descriptive phrase that guides the AI in enhancing your scene. For instance, let's enter. Click the Generate button. Hailuo AI will process your project, transforming your static image and prompt into a dynamic video. This usually takes a few minutes. Access the text-to-video feature. First, navigate to the text-to-video section on your Hailuo AI dashboard. This will open up a new workspace tailored specifically for text-based video creation. Now it's time to input your creative prompt. In the designated text box, type in your scene description. For our example, we'll enter "a man in the street." To make the AI generate a more detailed and vivid scene, you can enhance your prompt with additional details. For instance, a man walking down a bustling city street at sunset, surrounded by colorful storefronts and lively pedestrians, cinematic style. This extra information helps Hailuo AI understand the context and generate a richer visual experience. With prompt refinement enabled, Hailuo AI automatically adds detail to your prompts, enhancing video quality and engagement. It's time to generate your video. Click on the Generate button. Creating audio with Hailuo AI. All right, let's jump right into one of the most versatile features of Hailuo AI, creating audio. Click on the Audio. This will open a new section dedicated to audio creation. Within the audio section, click on Text-to-Speech. This feature allows you to seamlessly convert your written text into spoken audio. Now it's time to input your text. In the designated text box, type or paste the text you want to convert into speech. For example, let's enter, "Welcome to Hailuo AI, your go-to platform for creating stunning AI-generated content." To ensure the voice matches the tone of your project, you can customize various parameters. Here's how. Language. Choose from English, Chinese, or Japanese depending on your target audience. Emotion. Select the desired emotion for the voice, such as auto, sad, happy, or angry to convey the right sentiment. Speed. Adjust the speed of the narration. The range is from 0.5 to 2, where 1 is the normal speed. Slower speeds can add emphasis, while faster speeds can make the narration more dynamic. Pitch. Modify the pitch of the voice from -12 to +12. A lower pitch can make the voice sound deeper, while a higher pitch can add brightness. Modifier. Use the modifier settings to further refine the voice. Deepen. Adjust from 0 to -100 to make the voice sound deeper. Lighten. Adjust from 0 to +100 to make the voice sound lighter. Stronger. Control the strength of the voice's presence with settings from -100 to +100. Nasal. Modify the nasality of the voice from -100 to +100 for different vocal effects. Echo effects. Choose from various echo styles such as spacious echo, auditorium echo, lo-fi telephone, or robotic to add unique audio textures to your speech. Once you've customized all the settings to your liking, click on the Generate Speech button.
Welcome to Hailuo AI, your go-to platform for creating stunning AI-generated content. Welcome to Hailuo AI, your go-to platform for creating stunning AI-generated content.
Navigate to Voices. Within the audio section, click on Voices. This is where you can customize the voice settings for your audio projects. Now it's time to select the voice parameters that best fit your project's needs. Here's how you can customize each setting. Language. Choose from English, Chinese, or Japanese depending on your target audience. Accent. Select the desired accent, such as US, England, or Indian. Gender. Choose between male or female voices to suit your project's requirements. Age. Select the age group of the voice. Young adult, adult, middle-aged, or senior. These settings allow you to tailor the voice to perfectly match the tone and style of your content. Create your voice clone. For those looking to create a personalized voice, Hailuo AI offers a voice clone feature. Here's how to set it up. Click on Create Your Voice Clone. This will initiate the voice cloning process. Name your voice. Give your custom voice a unique name that you'll recognize later. Import voice. Upload a clear recording of the voice you want to clone. Make sure it's a high-quality audio file with minimal background noise for the best results. Language selection. Choose the language of the voice you're cloning to ensure accurate replication. Once you've customized all the settings to your liking, click on the Convert button. Utilizing the chat feature. Now let's explore another powerful tool within Hailuo AI, the chat feature. Click on the chat button located in the top navigation bar. This will open up the chat interface. In the chat interface, start brainstorming by typing requests like, "Help me come up with creative scenes for a video about a bustling city at night." The AI will generate scene ideas to expand your creative vision. The AI will provide you with a list of scene ideas, helping you expand your creative vision. I2V-01 Live. Hailuo AI's newest feature that lets you create smooth and vivid life characters for 2D illustrations. Thank you for watching. Stay innovative, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.